Hi, my name is Joseph Israel. I'm from Eldoret district and I'm happy to be here at the temple. Uh, I would like to thank the Temple Bound organization for organizing for us such a trip uh, because since I came to the temple, this is the only place that I find peace, and I'm happy to see the clean environment here in the temple. And I would like to add the temple bound to organize for another trip so that we may enjoy ourselves next time. When I came here, I was able to do proxy baptism, and I'm so grateful to do that. I've met new friends from other branch, and we have interact, and